this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you make a secret mountain house. So guys, first of all, just remove these extra things or find a good surface. I mean a straight surface where you can make your house easily. Yeah guys, I think this place is good. So I will construct the house right here. So as first of all, what you have to do is take one. I did it so it doesn't look shabby. Never mind. Now apply two sticky pistons. I mean, yeah, one sticky piston is also enough. And now I will be just putting some stone, cobblestone. Where's cobblestone, man? Yeah, stone. Sorry. So now I will use stone right here. And we'll use the same for inside too. So as it's a secret house, so no one should be like no, I know there must be something as it's looking like that. So I'm just hiding this place, and now I will put a lever from inside. Okay guys, as you can see from here, as you can see this. So now if we look from outside, it seems, I mean, it seems really clear. It doesn't seem that there is something. And now just remember one place, like this, and so it will just hide. But as you can see it right now that it's hiding, I mean that there must be something, as people will think that there is something. So just clear it off. And it's looking like that because of move, bro. So now it seems normal. Now it seems normal. My brother did it. Never mind. So now when you will pull the lever, the thing will come off. And now hide this place finally. Move, bro. So now we can finally hide the place. If you know the location of the place, so just be calm. And I have not done this, my brother have done this, kindly ignore it. So we will go from here. And when I want to go in, open it, here I come in, from inside, close it. And now he's stuck right there, and he doesn't know how to use the second lever right there. I hope he doesn't use it. So now never mind. Wait, what the heck? And now yes, you can easily build your house inside as much you want to extend it. It depends upon you how much you want to extend the area. Come in, bro, come in. Come in, come in. Don't do, bro. Go back, go back, go back. Go back, bro, go back. Oh,
Suffocate!
he will
Suffocate!
die now. He will die now. Yeah, guys, let's get it back to creative. Teleport to me. And now, guys, you can just like it's your choice now how much you want to extend it from inside, recover it, want to make it as a secret base, use chest, whatever. It's your choice. I cannot say anything to you. I'm just that case. And guys, if you like the trolling of my brother, so please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Suffocate करेगा मेरे को, suffocate.